Today we have a great opportunity to welcome Tim Leatherman, the creator of the Leatherman Tools, to visit us in Bangkok. Tim, welcome to Thailand.
Thank you. After 42 years, it's a pleasure to be back.
That's a long time, 42 years.
42 years since I was last here.
Okay. For the audience, we have a few questions that maybe you can share with us a few things that always on our Leatherman fans' mind. First is when we look at Leatherman Tools, varieties of models, I don't know how many models we have now, but they all have something in common in the design. There are no other tools like it. I believe there must be a philosophy, a core philosophy behind tools design.
There is a core philosophy. My philosophy is that the tools should be there when needed and should work when needed. And by that I mean that they should be compact enough that you can carry them all the time, and that they're useful enough that you want to carry them all the time.
That's a simple but very precise definition of a tool. And that go across everybody who design the tools in the company?
Yes, and we make our tools as multi-purpose as possible. Quite often the input for the features that we put into our tool come from our customers. They suggest things that they want the tool to do, and then as we design new tools, we incorporate those ideas into our tools.
Okay. The next things when people think about Leatherman design that impress a lot of customers here is the quality. And many of our customers ask us about warranty. Why 25 years, and really, is it really, Leatherman going to back it up for 25 years?
The reason we picked 25 years is that when we first started, some products were saying they had a lifetime guarantee, but they were not good products, and if you ever had trouble, you could never find the company. So we wanted to pick a number that had meant a long, long time, but it was a real number, something that people could trust and believe. And now we've been in business for 27 years, and if anyone has a tool that's more than 25 years and they're still using it, and you have a problem with the tool, I'm so proud that you're still using the tool. Send it back and I'll be very happy to take care of the warranty.
Wow. And I think we really see that part of services coming from Leatherman company, and we have surprised a lot of customers that we will service or replace their tool even though it's not from the manufacturing problems.
Yes, quite often the cause of the problem is not the defect in manufacturing or materials or workmanship. The cause is that the customer needed to use it beyond its capability, which is fine. They should use it, and the tool should work when they need to use it. So when that happens, I just take that as feedback that the next time we design a new model, that we make sure it's big enough or strong enough, or that it will take care of that particular application that the customer needs to have it work for.
To that point, I think a lot of Leatherman customers have used the tool beyond the design point or design the criteria. You have a lot of testimonials about how customers use it. What's your favorite testimonials on how the customer use the Leatherman tool?
Well, we've had beyond the capability, we've had customers return tools that have been run over by a railroad.
Oh, really?
We've had customers return tools that they dropped in the chemicals, and the metal is now paper thin. And we've had customers that have used tools in electrical applications, and there's burn marks on the tools.
And its owner still survived?
The owners survived to write us a letter to tell us that I was a little bit stupid, but I'm alive. And all these particular stories, the customer doesn't really expect a warranty service, but they send us a letter with a fun story. But it's such a good story that we are happy to give good warranty service.
Okay. Leatherman Tools, I think, has evolved quite a bit. We've seen a lot of new tools coming in the past few years. And to our surprise, Leatherman never had what we call a tactical tool for a tactical market or military market. Last year, 2010, Leatherman come up with Leatherman March, a March EOD. Surprised a lot of people. Tim, what's coming next?
It shouldn't really be a surprise because our strategy is to develop the tools so that they're even more perfect for specific customers. And if a person is a hunter, then they might need certain features. And if a person rides a bicycle, then they might need certain features. Fishermen might need other features. And our tool is probably 95% satisfactory to hunters and fishermen and bicyclists. And many of them just send us letters out telling us how useful the tool is and give us wonderful testimonials. But they do point out that it's not quite perfect for their application. So one of our strategies in product development is to develop the tools to a specific market that makes it perfect for their applications.
So we can expect a lot of new tools coming from Leatherman?
Yes, you can expect, we always try to introduce new products every year.
Wow. Can't wait to see what's coming in 2011.
I wish I could tell you, but right now it has to be a secret.
All right. Okay, thank you very much, Tim. Really be an honor to have you with us today, and I'm sure the audience would really appreciate what you have shared with us today.
My pleasure. It's been a lot of fun and a great pleasure to come back to Thailand finally after 42 years.
So, thank you, Tim.
You're welcome.